Has life pranked you and you don't know how to fold your landing pad? Well, I'm not laughing. Are you? I'm going to fold it over. Left over right, or right over left, overlapping. One hand, pull up, pull the other hand, same hand, push it down. And kind of adjust it. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Whoa. Fold it in half. Try to overlap the top either way. Lift in. Push down. Work it a little bit. And there you go. That is how you do it. Let's do it again. While you're doing that, you can like and subscribe. Basically 3 moves. Fold it in half. You want to get over itself. Hold it with one hand. So it looks like that. Fold this side in. At the same time, try to fold the other side in. Oh, almost lost it. Kind of adjust it a little bit. There you go. Want to see it again? Ooh. This thing's crazy. It'll get you. Huh? What? Should we do this side? Fold in half. Overlap. Pull in. Push down. Use your knee. Work it a little bit, and there you go. Put it back in the case. Hey, I'll even show you how to zip it up. 2-for-1 deal today. Like and subscribe. Thank you.